Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we will go over how to use OBS, Open Broadcaster Software Studio, an open source, lightweight, and powerful recording software. This is an alternative to the 30-minute interval recordings in Clipchamp. Let's get started. Go to obsproject.com. Then choose a download option. Once it is downloaded, install it on your computer. Note, if we are running Teams or Microsoft Edge, we will need to exit out of them first. For Teams, make sure you right-click on the Teams icon in the taskbar. Then choose Quit in the menu that appears. When OBS is finished installing, make sure Launch OBS Studio is checked and click on the Finish button. At first, it will ask us what we are primarily using OBS for. Choose the second option, Optimize just for recording, I will not be streaming. Then click on Next. From there, it will ask us about the canvas resolution. This is basically the screen size. The default resolution should be fine. For FPS, set it to 30 FPS. If we need to later, we can change these settings in Video Settings. Hit Next. This will update the page so we can review the settings. If this looks good to us, click on Apply Settings. Now we are finally in OBS. It probably looks a bit daunting, so let's take it one step at a time. At the bottom, we will go from left to right. We have Sources. Here we can choose what is being recorded, like our screens, images, cameras, and more. We will get back to this in a moment. Audio Mixer shows us the various inputs for audio. Desktop audio is useful if we are going to be showing other videos or audio while recording. Otherwise, we can mute it by clicking on the sound icon. Mic/aux will automatically grab our microphone for us. Before we get into controls, let's go back to Sources and add a source. Click on the plus in the lower left corner of the source's screen. Select Display Capture. Then name it Main Screen. Click on OK. The pop-up will update and give us some information about the screen. If we have multiple screens, we can click on the drop-down to the right of Display and choose the appropriate screen. Otherwise, click on OK. Our screen preview at the top should have this almost infinite mirror effect. That's fine for now. Before we finish up, we need to make sure OBS auto-exports to a more accessible file type. In Controls, click on Settings. From there, go to Output on the left and find the Recording section. Here, we can choose where the recordings go by changing the recording path, but what we are interested in is the recording format. Right now, it's a .mkv file, which is not accessible for most people. Click on it and choose mpeg-4.mp4. We may see an error appear at the bottom, but we can ignore that. Before we exit out of this, we need to hit Apply, and then we can hit OK. Now we can hit Start Recording, which will start a recording immediately. To stop a recording, we need to come back to OBS and select Stop Recording. If needed, we can also pause the recording. Then, to find our recording, we typically need to go to the Windows File Explorer and select Videos. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.